Greetings, everybody. Noah Bollenbacher here. It was a bit of a chilly one today, nice and breezy. And I want you to look at this North Georgia temperature map right now. 54 up in the mountains, 59 in Athens, but there's a steep gradient from, the mid Georgia and from up here, even in South Georgia, it's down in the 80s. And why is that? It's because there's a bunch of cold air that's damming up against, right here, this is a mountain range. Don't forget, there's a big old mountain range right here, and that cold air cannot go over. So it hits that mountain range and flows right down. That's keeping us nice and cool today, nice and breezy. And tonight, it's going to be cool. Likewise today, 50 degrees is going to be our low, and it's going to be breezy and gusty and cloudy. But the good thing about tonight is if you like looking at, cool stuff in that sky, like I do, if you like astronomy, we got ourselves a total lunar eclipse tonight. What is a total lunar eclipse? If you forgot, I'm about to break it down for you. So, you have the sun, you got the earth and the moon. The moon rotates around the earth, and sometimes, you get the sun is right here, you get the earth and the moon in a straight line. And what happens there is the moon gets caught in this right here, what we call the umbra, the shadow of the earth. And once that moon comes around there, it's coming around. Uh-oh. You see it's coming, and there it is. See how it turns red? That's because red light is refracted once it enters the Earth's atmosphere, because blue light is scattered, and it just beams up against that moon. So it's gonna be red. You got to get out there and watch it, but might not be able to see it too good because we got clouds right here moving in. Unfortunately, Athens is gonna be covered. We're expecting about 50 to 60% coverage over Athens. So, you might be able to get a glimpse here and there. It won't be crystal clear, but you'll get a glimpse. And if not, though, you're gonna have to catch the next lunar eclipse. And then here's 12 noon tomorrow. So those clouds are gonna stick in here. They're not going anywhere. It's gonna be a cloudy day tomorrow. Very cloudy, a little bit warm. Kind of like what we had today. High of 64 degrees tomorrow, but cloudy. So pleasant. A little less windy than today. And then check this out. I know you guys see those 80s. It just catches your eyes. 77 on Wednesday, and then we start a warming trend up into the 80s, and we're staying in the 80s. Thank goodness. But we have some thunderstorm chances from Friday to Monday. Something to keep your eyes on. Definitely going to get a shower, storm here and there. And you can always stay tuned with us because we're going to be tracking it and monitoring it. So that's great, But everybody have a great rest of your week, and go Dogs. Noah Bollenbacher. Thank you.